Hello guys, so welcome to another analysis video wherein I analyze futsal videos um, for from different matches that we could analyze, that we could get something from. So pwede natin kunin kung ano yung mga ginagawa ng pros, especially in the international level, and as well as in the semi-pro or the amateur levels, pwede rin natin i-review yan. But for now, we're going to review the final match of the Copa America Futsal this 2026, which is between Argentina and Brazil. So, two rivals, two South American rivals. So, ang ganda ng game. I watched it. I hope we could get something out of this game to improve more of our game. No? And before we start, I'd like to ask you guys to just hit the subscribe button and the like button for me to create these types of videos. So it means a lot to me. Salamat, salamat. This is the final of the Copa America Futsal between Argentina and Brazil. The players are entering. So let's take a look at the sequence. This guy here, number 10. Let's observe what he's going to do. Yep. So, ano siya, no? Magalaw. So what he did there was to quick passes lang to the ayan, 1-2. 1-2. He saw the opening sa likod. He made the sprint for it. So, what a nice run for him. So another thing that we could take away from that play, let's observe what number 6 does here. So he's going to take a look at this guy. So he provided the screen for his teammate. So ang reasoning nito, just like what I discussed in the previous videos, it makes a lot of it leaves a lot of pressure from this guy with the ball. So pag nakita niya may blocking siya ganyan, madi-disrupt yung defense and relieve pressure even just for a second or so. It's important yun kasi nakapasa siya, nagawa niya yung diagonal pass which turns into nice plays. 1-2. So another play right here. Stop ball. So magaling natin makita yung player na to. Is his zoom in. Dito sa futsal allowed to. I'm not really sure sa amateur levels if this is going to be allowed. But what he does is he's making the pivot uncomfortable, this guy, the fixo, probably the fixo, so that he could not receive the ball properly. A little bit of nudge lang, not to push too much. Okay. So nawala sa kanya yung ball. Okay, so let's take a look at this player. The bottom of your screen, number 9, Argentina. He will feint to the left, and then he will confuse the defender if he's going to go to this space or not. Okay. So a little bit of feint to the right, tapos nag-drop siya ng foot to the left. Look at what this defender does. So he's going to immediately shift. Pero yung defender ang galing kasi nakabawi siya kagad. Pero it's important the feinting foot. So, let's look at it again. Oh. Ayan, nag-shift na yung defender niya, napunta dito, which provides him space. And again, the screen that we discussed earlier, nag-provide the screen ito, yung teammate niya. Okay? So let's take a look at the sequence of the goal. Okay, so this is the scene leading up to the goal for Brazil. Let's particularly look at this bottom section right here. Kung ano ginawa nung, I'm sure what his position is. So he got the ball, he passed the ball to this guy, the middle. Tapos nag-feint siya, nag-feint ng run, fake run, then he returned back again. So na may ano na sa space between. This is also to provide support to his teammate. So hindi mo na siya nag-run, is to provide the support, the extra support here. The line here, is really important. Pag napasa na sa pivot, this guy run, sprinted here. Let's look at this guy. So, so when he passes to the winger here, the winger passed diagonally to the pivot, then immediately run. This guy, the fixo. So usually ganun mga plays ng fixo, they provide extra assistance to the pivot, lalo-lalo na sa mga sprinting runs, sa mga layoffs. Yun yung mga gusto nilang kunin from fixo to pivot. So, pwede siya yung pumasa, pwedeng iba yung pumasa. Basta he will go for that run and he will attack the space right here. So, Tito, the pivot, got the ball, pass it to this guy. Just a layoff, which led to a goal. Brilliant play by Brazil. Okay, so let's observe the two defenders, the pivot here, and this space right here. So makikita mo magka-close in itong defender na to this pivot. Maganda naman yung position niya. It's just good defense from Brazil. This guy immediately close him. So kailangan ganun. You need to anticipate whether to close in to provide support sa defense. Like this, he provided, he sprinted. So naguluhan yung pivot. It's either he will lose the ball from this guy here. Hindi na siya nakaikot. Not a good play. So this guys is how a pivot should move. Let's observe this Argentine, the player from Argentina right here. So you would see, sprint siya dito. You sprint, then go back. Immediately smudge his opponent here, leaving him distracted and open here. Probably it's for a diagonal pass. Boom, ayan na. Napasok yung diagonal pass. Boom. Good play. Hindi lang nag-materialize. So this guy passes to the pivot on the left. Okay, the pivot backs down. Tapos this guy helped. Probably the winger, Bolo, ran through this space here, which is a usual place of futsal. Pivot, then the winger should run to either shoot the ball or pass here diagonally. So roll lang ng ball. So to the counter attack ng Brazil. Okay, let's look at this. Look at Tito on the right hand side of the screen. He will get the ball. He will wait for the ball. Then he shot the ball. So wala nang two touches. He just immediately touched and shot the ball right then and there. So similar to the last play, one touch, go to the space. Sa futsal, it's really important that you make quick decisions like that. One touches, then you shoot or probably do something that could potentially materialize. So let's take a look at this play. This is a 1-2 pass and go between the winger and the pivot right here, which provided support. It's like, okay, he passed. Sorry, this is the pivot. So he passed here, and then the winger went to the other side. So may space na siya to pass here. There's a big space here that this guy could exploit. So this is para may triangle siyang na form. When he passed the ball, then he ran over the space. So again, guys, attack spaces. You need to exploit the spaces that was left behind by the defense. So look at this guy right here. He changed direction. Change of direction, a sprint. Went to the other side. Again, very useful running pattern. So he provided space and then he went back. Okay, let's take a look at this. Wow. Okay, so let's analyze that. Let's look at this guy, Marcel. Marcel, or not sure. Marcel yung pumasa to Tito on this other side. What Tito did, He stopped the ball with his soul, as immediately planted his right foot here, then immediately went to the. Sorry, he planted the left foot, then he he went to exploit his space. Yeah. So let's take a look at the second half of this game. Let's go. Okay, so this is an inbound play from Argentina. So what this guy is going to do is just to lay the ball here on the floor, not to pass directly to the player, but to the space here. Sobrang light lang. This guy sprints, then he passed the ball to the area. Let's go. Let's look at this. So that could have gone to this guy, to the player here, or it could went in as a shot. So either way, it will benefit the team. So so this is the importance of having when you have the space, you take the shot. So, kasi sa futsal sobrang liit lang nung compared to football, it's relatively small. So when you have the space, just take the shot kasi we don't know what could happen to that ball if it ends into the goal. Let's look at Argentina right here. So yan, may space siya between these two Brazilian players and his teammate actually is blocking. So maganda nung block ng teammate niya. I think this provided space for this guy to shoot. So almost sa shot. So, may space siya. Oh. So it could either be blocked, but take the chances in futsal. So this one is another one of those feints, fake runs. Take a look at this. So makikita natin, they're really pressuring up high yung Argentina. Let's look at, take a look at this guy. He passed. Boom. He tried to, he attempted feint, going to sprint, but hindi siya nag-sprint. Let's take a look at it again. So the clearance here is the ideal play kasi sobrang na pressure na sila. He faked, but he went back immediately just to provide pressure. Just to provide support for this pressured guy. So again, pivot, turn and shoot. Hindi pa niya natatouch yung bola. He immediately shot it, facing backwards towards the goal, and immediately facing forward, spinning, turning his body to shoot. Yeah. So what I notice about this play right here is that this guy here, he didn't wait for the ball to go here. Kasi if you wait for the ball to go here before turning, it's going to be late. So you watch how he turned. Yeah, no. So he's like rotating his body na from when the ball is here, still here. Yeah, no. Then he raised his body to gesture the shot. Pero yung bola nandito pa rin. So what he knows is the ball will go here. So it will just be accurate dun sa foot niya. If he spins early, it's going to be accurate when it's going to be here. So again, fake feint. Let's take a look at this. It's this guy, the passing guy. Pass to his left, fake the run, then went back again. Okay, so take a look at this guy right here on top. The keeper passed the ball to him. He touched with the sole of the foot, with a slight nudge to his right. Sinole roll niya to the right. Then immediately exploded right here to the baseline. So guys, what a highlight by Pito right here. Pito passes to his Pixo. Wow. Again, sorry. So feinting from left to right. What a great player this is. So guys, we could have a whole highlight reel of pass and feints or fake runs. this guy pass again. He's going to pass. Then take the run here. Take the sprint here. And went back again to support his teammate. Pass to the space. He tried to fake the shot going here to this guy. This guy attempted the tackle at immediately sped into space kasi may nakita siya space dito. What a play. What a play. Again. Fake the shot. Took a touch, a soft touch. Kasi pag sumobra yun, baka ano na, outside. So, baka corner na siya. So, take a look at this guy, number 7. He passed the ball. He sprinted. But he's not taking his eye off the ball. So, immediately, backpedal. He went into the space, looking at the direction where the ball is. Kasi sometimes we forgot na when we're sprinting, we're just sprinting gung-ho. Pero you need to keep your sight of the ball. Okay, so this is a defensive play. Let's take a look at the Brazilian player here. Here. He sprinted kasi to prevent counter-attacks, you need to sprint back. He's taking look. Watch his head. Watch this guy's head. He's scanning. He's really scanning. Scan. Kung ilan na yung players, assessing the situation while sprinting. So that way he could assess with judgment kung ano yung gagawin. It's not like you're just running and going to the player, whichever player you want. Yes, he immediately faced immediately pressured the player to prevent any counterattacks. But the highlight of this is that he kept on scanning even while on defense. Kung kanina nagsascan sa offense, this time, you need to scan sa defense. So let's take a look at this space right here. May flying keeper na si Argentina this time because it's already 5-11 and still losing 0-1. Arrieta faked the shot or faked the pass. Immediately went with the soul roll. Fake pass or fake shot, soul roll to this space right here. Ayan. So nag-advance na siya. Again, anticipating the ball where it should land. Sakto lang sa paa niya. Hindi shot the ball. So let's watch the goal of Argentina right here. With a flying keeper. Wow. So look at this time. 2:34. He just took his chance. One touch. I think one touch. Yeah, one touch. One touch siya. Nahuli to eh. Nahuli yung player. He's not really thinking about what will happen. You just need to take the chance kasi 0-1 na kayo eh. Tumama sa player. What happened was tumama dito sa guy na to. Yeah, tumama sa number 4. Kaya na bad trip siya. Okay, so this is it. The final sequence leading up to the winner. So let's see what Diego does here. So lahat naka-isolate. Lahat ng players niya nandito, giving space to do his thing. This is his specialty, no? Yung parang it's going to hingaan yung hinga niya. Where to go? Characteristics of winger is always dribbling like this. Pero kahit alam mo kung saan siya pupunta, it's either left or right lang naman eh. He has a way to go to the space that he wants and do his magic. Oh. Let's look at the time, 1:16. Kanina nakagol ang Argentina, 1:16. Nakagol lang Brazil. Grabe. What a game. What a player. This guy defending him. This guy defended good. Nakababa siya ng knees. Nag-touch lang si Diego here. That's the key. He went here, nag-touch siya kasi naka-horizontal siya. Tapos he quickly touched to this space right here. Ang layo ng touch niya. One to this space. One. Then with the inside of his foot, he attacked this space. I think. Boom. Tapos meron pang isang touch. Meron pang isang touch yun. Kasi, if he shot here, habulin siya ng 3 eh. Ayan no. I don't know what happened there. We could not see. But he took 2 touches away from the defender. 1, 2, 3. Ayan no. Grabe, nag-slide na. Tinaas na niya yung kamay niya. Grabe. Naka 2 touches siya, naiwan niya yung defender. Hindi siya nahabol ng tackle. Grabe. Although na-deflect nung guy. Yan si Bolo, I think this guy. Not Bolo Aliman, this guy, not this guy. This guy here. Yung nagtaas na shirt. Bam. Deflect niya eh. Was it supposed to be a goal? Siguro maano nung keeper kaso na-deflect. Ay, que partida. What a game. Congratulations, Brazil. Congratulations, Brazil. What a game. What a game. Argentina, kudos to the players of Argentina. So thank you for watching this analysis, guys. What a game between Argentina versus Brazil. I didn't expect the game to be like that. Really close at the end, but in the end, one team should prevail. But on our part, we do our analysis and we take in what we could get from these players. Not to get into the game, but more on analyzing and improving our game. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this channel for this channel to grow more, to help more Filipino futsal players and international futsal players to improve. Yeah. Ciao, ciao.